lessons when Rita came ashore. Trying to help my sister, I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 I swear if you give me a ride over there, I'll buy the buffets and a dress you can wear. 21's coming to me, I can feel it in my bones. I'll have to change my name to Savings and Loan. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 To pay down my loan, I hopped on my tools when I broke my bone. I was stuck in Sour Lake, not a nickel to my name. My cousin come to get me in the drizzling rain. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. Drive legal, I can't drive at all. Interstate 10, calling with the law. Them Louisiana troopers, you know they never sleep. Got rusty disposition and they target the free. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 Oh, take me to Lake Charles. 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 Take me to Lake Charles.
Paul, that was great.
Well, that was fun. Fun way to start the
what
evening.
A groove. Welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota up here in downtown Locker Center, up here in the foothills. And we have my lovely wife Susie's here, and Judy, and Dr. Kathy, and of course Kim and Tom, and my grandson Brandon. He's back there singing along with us. And this week's guest artist is, who else? She's pointing. Joey. I'm sorry, I can't see.
Bart?
Oh, Bart. Oh, yeah. I wasn't going to mention him. And anyway, just kidding. I love the guy, that's right. Hey, so we took a guest artist this week, and right out of the Wild Country Band, and we just moved over a couple of notches, and it's none other than Paul Marshall.
Hey!
My buddy.
Thanks, Carmen.
Oh, we love you. Wait a minute, what? Wait. Yeah, absolutely.
I got a big raise. Big raise.
He's certainly worth more money, I'll tell you that much. Wouldn't I give him? Anyway, Paul.
Carmine.
It's the same old thing. How's
so
the family? What's going on?
Family is great. Ollie, Isla, I know they're watching, and PJ and Junie, and everybody's fine. Colleen's out of town, so I'm.
Oh no.
So,
well, she'll
otherwise
watch
she'd be here.
She's
Maybe
probably watching. I
She
know
might
her.
be watching,
I know
but you know, she's out of town.
And Dr. Teresa just walked in, so we have another somebody else to clap and hoop and holler. So Paul, you're the guest artist, which means it's kind of your show. You direct, you tell who to play what when, and whatever you want to sing, and
okay.
And that's it.
Shall we say hi to everybody else, or are we going to save that for later?
Okay, I'll say hi to. Hey, you're right. See, I already forgot. I gave it to him, and he gave it back.
Yeah, I'm giving it back.
Palmer, love you. How you doing? You feel better now? Yeah. Okay. And of course, the other family member who plays so many of these things with us. When I need him on bass, he's there. Sometimes we need him on drums. He's a great drummer. He's a great bass player. Fills the job perfectly. So we have our other brother with us, Dan Hughart. Dan. So I love you, and I'm happy you're here.
You're getting good at this intro thing.
Am I really? Notice I didn't give you a mic tonight, because I was afraid of what you might say to me. Anyway, welcome back. Okay, Paul, now it's back in your court.
No, it's all right. I'm just
Okay.
No,
working
he's
off
here.
my tuck and roll.
Okay.
Cody!
We're not going to say anything about Cody.
I was ready to go on with the show, and I was saying, how did Cody? Cody, for years, gave everybody on this stage a lot of work, supported music, like he's a great entertainer himself. He called me, I played with him many times. He plays every instrument practically there is to play. So Cody, everybody knows, I don't have to introduce you to anything, but they know you better than me, and it's my show, I can't figure that out. But we love you, Cody. And you got a new amp, show him that amp. Well, it's not new, but it's new to us. This is an old amp cabinet, it's called Custom, right, from the 60s.
Boy, oh boy.
That's
Tuck and
custom
roll.
and that's plush.
This is Flush
Mesa Boogie.
and Mesa Boogie. So he thought I'd try this out tonight, and during the sound check, man, that sucker sounds good.
Not so hot now, but it sounds good.
It sounds great. It sounds better when you play it. Okay, Paul, now.
All right. So here we go. We're gonna do this song called Dark Hollow.
Love that song.
One, two, one. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine, than to be here alone knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine, and see another man's darling, and know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
Damn, what a nice job.
All right.
Man, I love that acoustic going there. That's really a nice.
I'm still working
Nice.
on the. No, did I write that? Did somebody say?
Not
No,
yet.
I did not write that. That is a song written by a guy whose name I don't actually know, but he kind of wrote a lot of songs for the Grateful Dead, and I think they might have been the first band to actually do that song. Sounds like an old one, doesn't it? It is old. It is an old one now. It even sounds older than that.
Is it Robert Hunter?
It's not Robert Hunter.
If anybody out there,
Yeah.
Yeah, knows who wrote
Never
that
mind.
song.
I know it's at your fingertips, like right there in your iPhone.
we're giving away a Prius. If you can. Mark's got it.
Bill Browning wrote that song.
Okay.
Where's my car?
You go out, you take a left around the dealership.
Bob Smith Toyota, that's where your car is.
All right. You want me to keep going? Five, 4, 1. In South Carolina. I should have told you it's a waltz.
The waltz is the one that skips one beat every measure, right? It takes one
I
out.
forgot to mention that.
Okay, it's like 4, but you take one out, leaves you with 3.
In South Carolina, there's many tall pines I remember the oak tree that we used to climb, but now when I'm lonesome, I always pretend that I'm getting the feel of hickory wind. I started out younger in most everything, all the riches and pleasure. What else could life bring? But it makes me feel better each time it begins, calling me home. Hickory wind. It's a hard way to find out. The trouble is real in a faraway city with a faraway feel. But it makes me feel better each time it begins, calling me home. Hickory wind keeps calling me home. Hickory wind.
Did he write that song? Did Graham write that? Graham Parsons, what a great songwriter. Didn't know him well, had the pleasure of meeting him several times, being around him a lot. My wife actually knew him better than I did, because she was, before I met her, she was, I think she was one of his groupies. No, Susie, I'm kidding, you know that. She was a very respectful lady, but it was all around the same time. We all met everybody. Well, Dan just asked me if I needed
a little chummy.
If I needed a ride home. Hell no, I don't need a ride home. I need a new home. Anyway, Paul, great stuff.
Carmen,
We win.
I am so glad that you asked me to do this because I haven't talked with a pick in my mouth for a long time. No, because you know, a lot of times we're doing this show and I think, oh, there's a song I'd like to do. But I never get around to doing it because we have other guest artists and they hog the show just like I'm doing tonight.
Yeah, but you earned it.
He's gonna rock out, I can feel it.
We're gonna do a song that I wrote a long time ago with my old buddy Butch Hendricks. It's called the Drinkers Hall of Fame, and goes something like this. 151 in the key of A. It's a shuffle. 2, 1. I got the most nights on the town of anyone that can be found in any honky-tonk, anywhere they're all the same. And the record clearly shows I've gone as far as a man can go, 'cause I just made the Drinkers Hall of Fame. I'm in the Drinkers Hall of Fame, and I owe it all to you. Honey, you're the inspiration for all I put me through. I got the brokenest heart, I got the most kinds of pain. That's how I made the Drinkers Hall of Fame. Well, I wanted to be the first among the ones that hurt the worst. And I guess you might say my dream came true. With all the old crow I could buy, I really hit an all-time high. Get that bottle down, I will show you what I can do. I'm in the Drinkers Hall of Fame, and I owe it all to you. Honey, you're the inspiration for all I put me through. I got the brokenest heart, I got the most kinds of pain. That's how I made the Drinkers Hall of Fame. Out of here. I'm in the Drinkers Hall of Fame, and I owe it all to you. Now, honey, you are the inspiration for all I put me through. I got the brokenest heart, I got the most kinds of pain. That's how I made the Drinkers Hall of Fame. I got the brokenest heart, I got the most kinds of pain. That's how I made the
Butch Hendricks.
Yeah, my buddy Butch.
I didn't know him hardly at all. I did meet him, but I can't say I knew him. I never really knew. I know he was
Good
a
guy.
good friend of yours.
Good
and
friend.
Susie even knew him
Yep.
from way back.
I think that's not
See,
sounding
no,
right.
Susie got
Just
around.
where you put that right there, the timing. It's
Anyway,
she's
yeah.
an attractive woman.
So, does anybody else want to do one just for the hell of it? No?
Not in Paul show. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Oh well, I do want to thank you for the harmony there, Cody. It's a most welcome.
Okay, I'm going to do the song I always sing to Susie, just to break it up a little. I'll sing one, and then we'll get back to Paul. So this is a good time for you guys to go to the bathroom and do something to if you don't want to watch the show for 3 minutes.
No.
Anyway.
We want to hear this.
He tunes because he cares.
Yeah, he tunes because he cares. And that was the thing last week, and the only thing I got wrong, of course, it's been over 50 years since I even thought about it, was on the Tonight Show. But then I went on YouTube and I looked it up on the Ed Sullivan Show in 1965. I thought it was like 66, but I was wrong. It was in 65, and they were on the Ed Sullivan Show, only on YouTube they just show them start the song. And I got a funny feeling if they back that tape up, they might see pretty close to the same thing. And I could be wrong. But he definitely did it on the Tonight Show, tuned, and it said we tune because we care. 1965, I think it was the same year.
All right.
Yep, so
Okay.
I wasn't 100% wrong. I got most of it right.
Yeah, and all you guys who got it right out there,
Yeah.
your prizes are on their way.
See, I tune because I care. That's so sweet. QD, you want to know everything. And you're so sweet. Horseflies keep hanging around your face. Kentucky moonshine could never take your place. In your eyes, they give me goosebumps down to my toes. Felt like the only rooster in the henhouse, and I guess it shows. Little Susie, you're such a lovely name, and she's nothing like the females from New York City. Her front tooth's missing, but that's fine for kissing. She's more loyal than my dog Sam, and twice as pretty. Somebody play! You're so sweet. Horseflies keep hanging around your face. Kentucky moonshine could never take her place. And those eyes, oh, they give me goosebumps down to my toes. She's more loyal than my dog Sam, twice as pretty. And you're so sweet. Horseflies keep hanging around your face. Could never take your place. Her eyes give me goosebumps down to my toes. Only rooster in the henhouse, and I guess it shows. Now little Susie, oh such a lovely name, and she's nothing like the females from La Crescenta. Her front tooth's missing, but boy, that's fine for kissing. And she's more loyal than my dog Sam, and she's twice as pretty.
Carmen.
Yeah. Carmine's Country Corner coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota up here in Lockwood Center, right up in the foothills. And tonight we have Paul Marshall as our guest artist. And I just love this man. I've only known him for way over half my life. And Paul, I'm so happy that you're doing this. And you're playing great.
I'm having a good time.
You are having a good time, and it's coming off that way, too. We are having a good time. Cody, thank you. I love your new amp. I think it's a keeper. I think so. You're doing good.
Well.
And you've been practicing because you have improved 1,000%. I just want you to know that. That's like a little inside joke. Who used to say that all the time? Oh God, Jim Leslie, I think.
Was it Jim?
Yeah, that's where I got that from. You have improved 1,000%. Dan, thank you for being here. Paul, Palmer, of course. Okay, Paul.
All right, so next week is the Super Bowl.
Is it next Sunday?
I think it's next Sunday.
Wow.
So I have a song that's semi-football related. So hope you enjoy it. It's about a guy who's watching a football game. Oddly enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well, I was kicking back on my lazy boy, spending quality time alone. A 64-inch HD flat screen, watching my Raiders in the red zone. When my wife walked in, 2 bags in each hand, and she stood right in front of the screen. I said, honey, move a little, you're blocking my view. It's 3rd and goal, and we're down by 3. You meant to say what? She hollered, and I knew she was talking to me. But she gave me a look like I'll burn down the house if you don't move your lazy hiney. Now I'm no mind reader and my crystal ball's broke, but her message is becoming clear. I feel a change in the weather, better get my sweater 'cause it's getting kinda chilly in here. It's the game of the week, it's important to me, and it'll all be over soon. When there's a final score, the interviews and more, I'll turn my full attention to you. She looked perturbed, she seemed upset, I had to let her know how much I care. I said, those bags look pretty heavy, you might want to set them down before you get me a beer. You meant to say what? She hollered, and I knew she was talking to me. Well, she gave me a look like I'll burn down the house if you don't move your lazy hiney. Now I'm no mind reader and my crystal ball's broke, but her message is becoming clear. I feel a change in the weather, better get my sweater 'cause it's getting kinda chilly in here. chilly in here. I feel a change in the weather. Better get my sweater, cause it's getting kinda chilly in here. I feel a change in the weather. Better get my sweater, cause it's getting kinda chilly in here. Thank you.
I kept waiting for the ending and it finally showed up. Did a good job, Paul. We're having a lot of fun tonight. But she's pointing at me again, and with the lights, I don't know what.
Aaron Gorsuch is saying hi to all you guys.
Oh, Eric from Nosbury Farm, my very good friend Eric. I'll see you next week. I think I'm working there a couple of nights. I don't know. I didn't work there at all this week. They're doing a peanut thing show or something at Knott's, and the country music, they cut it down to a mill, but it'll be back there in a little bit. Anyway, thanks for coming up, and Nina, thank you. Tina, I always forget her name, but anyway, she knows who she is. What? Say it again.
Nina.
I said Nina.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Is that the wrong one again?
No, that's
Okay, I did it. All right, so stop pointing at me. Okay.
This is a different one. This is a different point.
Oh, okay. All right, Paul.
Okay.
This is another point of land.
Let's do an empty bottle of broken heart. And you're still on my mind. Long 5, key of G. Long 5. 1, a 2, a 1. The jukebox is playing honky tonk song. One more I'll keep saying, and then I'll go home. What good would it do me? I know what I'll find. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. The people are dancing, having their fun. I just sit here thinking about what you have done. To try and forget you, I turn to the wine. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind.
You tune, you're gonna miss this whole thing up.
forsaken, so blue I could cry. I just sit here drinking until the bottle runs dry. My pockets are empty, my last glass of wine, an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. But it's in tune now. The guitar's in tune, so that's why I wanted to give you another ride, as they say.
We got it. Okay, we're close enough. I think I ran out of cookies this week. I always get a little cookies and some candy. And boy, the cookies went quick.
There's no more cookies?
Cookies are popular.
Shayna Palmer says hi.
Oh, Shayna, we love Shayna.
Hi, Shayna.
And Beelan. He says hi, boys.
Who,
Hey,
John
John.
Dillon? Well, John, you got to come down and do the show one night.
My wife would never say that.
One day, come on down.
Let her have one.
I love John Beelan. What a guy, what a guy. So, what are you going to do now?
Oh, that's dude, you're funny. Well, you got such a funny arm.
I think I'm a pretty good tune now.
Let's do this waltz and C. This is another song that Butch and I wrote. It's called a love song. It's too sad to sing. 1, 5, 1. Waltz. 1, 2, 3, 2. I used to pour out my heart in a love song. Sing it with feeling, that was my thing. I haven't done that in so long, 'cause honey, since you've been gone, a love song is too sad to sing. I rearranged all the shows I've been doing. No more songs about heartbreak and pain. I hated changing my style, but at least for a while, a love song is too sad to sing. So I'll sing about barrooms and prisons. America, let freedom ring. I'll sing about mama and truckers and trains, but a love song is too sad to sing. The bright silver lining in the cloud that keeps pouring down rain, but I'm still getting wet with these tears of regret, and a love song is too sad to sing.
trying to remember that song. I think you did that.
Hi.
I think you did that years ago.
Actually, I did that one in the show here, I don't know, some months back.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what
Yeah, it was the last song that Butch and I wrote. The last
well,
song,
it's a
last
good
song
one.
Butch wrote.
Thank you, Butch. Great song, buddy.
Want to do on Blue on Lonesome?
Huh?
Want to do on Blue on Lonesome?
Yeah.
You got one you want to do?
1, 2, 3. Blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. And if I had you, I would not be blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Pick it, Paul. And I can't control the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. I can't control the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Blue and broken-hearted me. I'm holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. It's a little fast, but I got through it.
I kind of liked it, that tempo. I mean, it moved right along. I've been doing my songs too slow, so it's
Pick 'em up
good
one.
that you did one too fast. Wait, it kind of evens out. So this is one of those songs that Hank Williams wrote. He wrote it with
That other guy.
that bluegrass, Bill Monroe.
Bill Monroe.
Bill, I knew it was Bill somebody. Bill Monroe, Hank Williams wrote this song. Hey, key of A.
All the way through?
Yeah, all the way through.
All the way through.
Shuffle, you know it.
Okay.
John Palmer, it's weird to be way over there so far away from you.
It's the saddest distance ever.
One, lonesome sigh of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind, it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. All right.
Did you hear Dan give it a little thing at the end? Yeah, he did like a little Dan thing at the end. I liked it. You don't usually come out of your shell like that.
It's crazy.
But thanks for doing that. That's your nickname, Shell. Oh, little thing, yes.
Lost all eagle bams.
Hey, I think the cookies, are all the cookies gone now? Is that why everybody left? No, they're still here, I'm just kidding. Oh, we have, we only got 4, that flew by, we got like 4 or 5 minutes. That says 3 minutes, we got one more. Paul's gonna close the show.
2 minutes.
Do one more.
Cody,
1 minute.
I love you, thank you for everything. See you next week. Paul? It's a pleasure seeing you stand to my right and having all this fun. We're going to do this again soon.
Thank you for having me do this, or
Oh,
doing
man,
me have this.
Are you kidding? We'll do it again. You do it so good. Dan, again, thank you. John, of course, I'll see you next Sunday if I don't see you sooner. And okay, Paul's going to take us out. We're coming to you from Bob's Material. We want to thank everybody for watching. Appreciate all the kind comments. Right after the show, I go home and I put the computer on and I listen to the whole show and kind of see what I liked or what I didn't and how I think it went. Most of them went great. I have a good time. And I read all the little comments that you guys give. I love you all. I know who you are. We know. So God bless you. Keep supporting us.
Do you ever put on comfortable clothes and just dance to it?
Sometimes I do it without any. No, I can't. No, I'm not going to say that. But I am going to
almost
say,
did.
with that, I am going to say, Susie, I'll see you at home in a little bit. All right, Paul, what do you got?
Okay. Freeborn man. G. 1, 2, 1. Well, I was born in the Southland 20-some odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. And my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Carrying an old tote sack. Pawned it about 100 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Yeah, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back with every mile of railroad track. Woman in Cincinnati, I got a gal in San Antonio. I always loved the girl next door. Any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. you may not like my appearance, you may not like my song, you may not like the way I talk, but you'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a free-born man.